In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an automation in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account and from your dashboard in the left menu, go to automations. And here you actually have an option to build an automation from scratch, or you can also choose from pre-made flow templates. So now start adding a name for your flow and click on choose a trigger. And here we're going to set the starting point. So start by selecting a trigger for the automation, such as when someone signs up for email or when a tag is added. And now customize your trigger. Say, for example, a tag is added. So what is the tag? Select from the drop down menu and click on Save Trigger. And for the actions, click on Send Email. So you can drop this flow in your flow builder and now customize your email and start designing it using the Mailchimp editor and write in your message. So here you can start designing your email and add in your email contents. And lastly, review your workflow and make sure that you turn on this automation. From there, MailChimp will then automatically send emails based on your selected trigger. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!